Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air 4 Pro. And let me play some song. Let's get started by single press. If you press one time at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. Press on it, and as you can see at this widget, I just increase the volume. If you press one time at your left earbud, you will lower the volume. So press on it, and again, as you can see at this widget, it works. Now, if you press two times at your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. 1, 2. I just pause the song. 1, 2. And I play a song. Next, triple press I will show you later. Now let's move to press and hold. If you press and hold at your right earbud, you will play next track. Press and hold on it, and as you can see, it works. Now let's move to press and hold at your left earbud. So if you press and hold at your left earbud, you will enable ANC or transparency mode, or maybe a normal mode. Right here, as you can see, we have ambient sound control boards. I just press and hold at my left earbud. Firstly, I should swap to ANC, then I press and hold again. I will swap to transparency mode. Here we go. And if I press and hold third time, I will swap to normal mode. Then from a normal mode, I will swap to ANC. Also, I said that I will show you triple tap. So if you triple tap at your left touch areas, you will enable or disable game mode. So 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I just enable it. 1, 2, 3. And I just disable it. And if you press 3 times at your right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have Apple device, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, so that then you will call Gemini. So 1, 2, 3. And now, as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. The last one. If someone called to you and you press 2 times at your left or right earbud, you will answer the call. Then if you press 2 times, you will finish the call. And you can also reject the call by press and hold at your left or right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.